Yeah, it was my first RB meet, offline meet. I'm really happy. Rohit ji did not give us even 1 minute break to talk to the family. My whole day, my family is not aware what am I doing. So that's great. That was so much intimate, like kind of one-on-one. Every minute we are doing some meeting with every member. It is wonderful. I look forward for such more meetings. Thank you.
My name is Wrinkle. This was my first RB meet, and it has been a very good experience because it has been my first time even for networking like this. And first I was a bit nervous. Now I'm getting a bit used to it.
Yeah. Very good, very good.
So it has been good interacting with everyone.
Hi, I'm Rajni Belgore. I came with lot of kind of confusion in my head because I belong to service industry and I was wondering if I could get anything or I could give anything, and I'm going back with the confidence that I have a lot of connections done here, and I'm grateful for you and Ambika ji for this. Thank you.
This is my first RB offline meet, and I thank you Ambika madam and Rohit sir for this, and it was a great pleasure meeting many people in many domains, and it will definitely be helpful to everyone and to me also. Thank you.
Yeah, namaste to all. This is Ramdas from Sri Ramji Sweets. Really, it's a very wonderful meet. Like it's more about business, very less gossips. We didn't spend even 5 minutes on gossips. It was all about networking
That's
and
must.
connects. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. Chalo. So good evening. So this was a first meet I never ever had. So I used to handle many seminars alone. It was very interesting today. There's a lot of productivity calls. I can understand what is happening today. And from morning, I never attend any one single function of my school because of it going to be bored. I never felt bored here. It was very good, very energetic. Thank you so much, sir. Your energy is giving for everyone to get more knowledge about it. Thank you so much.
Adi Pranam, Avinash, 02293. I think as many people put it forward, it was quite intense. Thanks to Mr. Rohit. And I'm not going back empty-handed, but with a lot of connections, and looking forward to expediting these connections. Thank you.
RB Pranam, this is my first time. I got the first good point is I got the difference between the business doing and networking. I like this point very much, what he presented in the PPT. Thank you for that. I'll keep in the mind for the whole of my business. Thank you.
I am Mohan. Actually, I'm very happy to actually meet all RB members. Okay, actually, I'm getting good connect with my business. Okay, henceforth, actually, we'll getting more business from RB family. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, Rohit. You have, I was on the road, he forced me to enroll on this spot 10 seconds. Otherwise, I told I will postpone it maybe. But it was a good thing you have done. It all credit goes to you. And he said it is one full day. I asked him. He said, yeah, one full day. I thought, one full day, 20-30 people network, क्या करते हैं उतना देर? So मुझे वही देखना था. I wanted to see that what वो करते हैं इधर. We have learned many things and got network, and also he went to the depth of knowing our HNI clients so that if anyone also can connect accordingly. It was really very good, amazing I could say. I never come across this kind. नहीं पैसा वसूल है
Okay, next. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Hi, I'm Nagesh. Basically, I have attended other network platforms, business like theirs, but they are only for an hour or two. But here it's for a whole day. And the first half was more interesting because In fact, the second one was more interacting as well as interesting to know about the personally about each of the members. The first half was more of a motivational session. It was quite good. I'm happy with this kind of session. Thank you.
Ma'am, still there, ma'am.
Hi everyone, this is my first RB offline meet, first ever RB meet. I wasn't feeling well, so I was almost missing it, but then I really was wanting to see what Mr. Rohit is like and what his energy is like, and it's been totally worth it. Very happy to meet everyone and look forward to working. Thank you.
Good evening, Pranam. This is Radha. I'm into different networking platform, but this RB conclave is really different. Where we are meeting 40 plus entrepreneurs and we are educating them, and also there is an opportunity to collaborate with our peer members or business partners. Thank you so much.
This is Raghu from Annapurna Shri Construction CTS Private Limited. I'm the director, one of the directors. So what I like the most is Rohit has a lot of sense of humor. He has a lot of sense of humor. So RB stands for Rohit, what is that, Bada? Or what's your son? Badia. So I thought it is a relationship building. Probably it is also stands for, you know. Yeah, I just know side. Anyway, you have a lot of, sense of humor. You never let anyone get bored. So that's our biggest thing. And everyone enjoyed, even I too enjoyed. So I never got bored. I never felt sleepy. Thank you.
Thank you.